Good morning, children. Today we are going to the lesson number 14, traffic rules. In this lesson we are discussing about in the last video of lessons. So once again I am telling what is the meaning of traffic rules. What is meaning of the traffic rules, children? You know, in the last video I am telling you. So the rules that help us to travel safely are called traffic rules. What is the meaning of traffic rules, or what is traffic rules? Whenever you are anybody you ask the question, you tell the answer. What the rules that help us to travel safely is called as traffic rules. In this lesson, some of the characteristics of Savita, Fatima, Niraj, Mary, these are the students and teachers. Both are discussing about the traffic rules and how to follow them rules. Okay, children. So next we are going to the question and answers. See here, children, in your textbook, page number 132. So you have read the picture story, haven't you? Haven't you, children? So in this lesson, Savita, Fatima, Niraj and Mary have learnt some traffic signals and their instructions from the traffic policeman. You know, you have learned traffic rules. Okay, some of the questions answer the following. Okay, first one, what is the question? Where should pedestrians cross the road? Where, children? Where should pedestrian cross the road? Pedestrian cross the road from the zebra crossing. And next, another one question. Name the color of the signal lights. What is the color of the signal lights? You know, children, already. Anybody else? You know that the colors of the signals, red, yellow and green. And another one, write one use of the signal light. So your choice. Traffic lights control the movement of the vehicles and people. Okay. So next, another one. Do you come across traffic lights on the way to your school? So your choice, children. So you come across the traffic lights on the way to your school, to yes or to yes answer. You will write the answer yes or no to the, you will write the answer of no. Okay. So another one, what are the precautions that you should take while crossing the road? Okay, what are the precautions you will crossing the road? You have to wait for the green light on. Remember it, children, and you follow them, the traffic rules. Okay, and you have to cross the road at the zebra crossing. It is very important, children. Whenever you cross the road, where you cross the road? At zebra crossing. Okay, so these are the questions. Only, children, you have the first understand this, answer the following, don't have right. Okay, so next, another one. Some traffic signals and their instructions are given on the next page. Match them by drawing a joint line. Okay, so see here in the next page. See here, column A and column B. These are the column A, the signals of the signs of the rules, traffic rules. Okay, so another one, B column. So you have the traveling, match them. The first one, the track, railway track sign. So observe if railway level crossing gate is open and then move. So it is the match them. Next, another one, hospital zone. So hospital zone, go slow. So match here. Next, another one, hump ahead, drive slowly. This sign is showing what, children? Hump ahead, drive what? Slowly. Go to slow. Okay. Next, left turn. This sign is what saying about me? We are understood this sign is left turn. So move the left side. Another one, horn sign. So do not use horn. Do not use the horn. Next, another P, you commonly known this sign. Okay, parking place. And another one, this is the go slowly. This boy is running, no? That sign is what? Go slowly. Okay, next children, see here. The rules that help us to travel safely are called traffic rules. That is, I am already you saying what is the meaning of traffic rules. The traffic signals and signboard are displayed by the side of the road for our safety. Okay, so here children, one of the question, write two advantages of the following the traffic rules. So here one the question children, write two advantages of the following the traffic rules. So first one, we can avoid the many accident. So we are follow the traffic rules, then we, one of the advantages what children, so we can avoid the many accidents. Another one, we have follow the traffic rules for the discipline. It is the most important advantages of our. Okay, next here is a list of the traffic rules that a pedestrians should follow. If it is the right, put the right mark, and it is the wrong, you will put the wrong mark. Okay, so first one, traffic rules, right or wrong, in this your column. So first one, what? Cross the road at a zebra crossing. It is the what children? It is the right. You put should you will put the right mark. Okay. So next one, if there are no signal lights, you can cross the road even while the vehicles are moving to your left and right. So it is the wrong. You should put the wrong mark. So another one, you can cross the railway level crossing even if the train is passing. So think children, it is the right or wrong? So you will put the wrong mark. You should not play games on the road. So it is put the right mark. It is the right instructions for us. Okay. You can board a moving vehicles or a alight from it. This is wrong instructions. You put the wrong mark. Follow the queue while boarding a vehicles. It is the right. So you will put the right mark. Pedestrians should walk on the right side of the road. So children, pedestrians should walk on the where side of the road? So it is the left side of the road to follow the traffic rules. That's way. That is instruction is wrong thing. It is you will put the wrong mark in the wrong box. Okay. Do you understand children? These are the instructions. So for example, like a true or false, you will write the true or false also, or you put right mark or wrong mark. And next children, you already know about the some accident which occur at home and school. For example, if we do not take care while using the electrical instruments or gas stove, knives, blade, stickers, etc., we have to face the dangerous. Okay children, so write the suitable safety measures to be taken also. So when you have to face the danger, so you write the suitable safety measures to be have taken. So here the one of the columns, situation of the accident, and another side was precautions. Situation of the accident, first one you will write here bursting of gas. So what is the take the precautions children? We should look after the gas properly. Okay. So next another one, knives and blades. You should not play with the knife or blade. Okay. So another one, electricity. It is very dangerous. So we should not play with the electricity. These are the dangerous for we have to face already. So this situation, these are the taken to precautions. Okay. I hope all of you understand the lesson number 14, traffic rules. And the traffic rules is very important, children. You have to follow them, these rules. Okay. Thank you, children.